Hello from Tosh Tires. I've got a VW Tiguan here on a 2015 plate. I'm just going to show you how to reset the basically inspection light. I've already done the oil service. We'll show you how the inspection is done as well. It's quite a simple procedure on this. All you got to do is make sure you switch the hazards off. I mean, this is off at the moment, so switch the hazards on. Once you switch the hazards on, you then press and hold this button, and at the same time you switch the ignition on. Once you've done that, you'll then have an inspection light come on saying whether you want to reset it or not. But before I do that, let me just start her up. This key here is a bit sticky on this one. Press put your foot on the brake and start the car. So let's switch the light off. Now you'll see in the middle it says inspection now. That's what we got to get rid of. I've already done the service. I'm going to get rid of the inspection in a minute for you. Wait a minute. Now you get as well as that. What you could do is just to check. So if you scroll down all the way, you can even reset your tire pressure if you want. But service, it tells you what's due. So where I've already done the service, it's 9,400 miles, but the inspection is 1,100 miles in minus. So press back again, switch the ignition off, and then I don't know how I'm going to do this, but let's try it. So sorry, I'm just working on my own right here. So I'm going to try to press and hold the reset button. Press and hold the reset button and then switch the ignition on. Oh, I haven't done it right because I haven't switched the ignition on. So what I need to now do is, the hazards. I switch the hazards on. I now press and hold the reset button, switch the ignition on. And in the middle right there, you can see already, it says, do you want to reset service? It doesn't say do you want to, but it says reset inspection service. Are you sure? I'll say okay. That's complete. I now switch the ignition off, switch the hazards off. I then start the car up, and then we'll just wait. Right, so that's all done. To confirm it, scroll down all the way to service. Press OK, press information. Now you can see it's 20,100 miles. So to reset the service inspection, this is what you got to do. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know and we'll try helping you out as much as we can. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if this was useful to you. And that's it. Thank you. Goodbye.